Bill's 2008 model T800 Kenworth with an ISL Cummins in it. It's got a new put-in motor with 80,000 miles on it. 10.5 yard ton tub on it. The duals, no drop axles, but nice truck. Gonna give a quick little walk around preview here. Golly, guys, I can't get that open. Nice clean oil, runs good, sounds like a Cummins. It's supposed to. Double drop axle or double pumps or double steering boxes on this truck, double pumps. Nice tread on these heavy duty front tires. 10.5 yard box on it. Henderson walking beam suspension on this truck. Good tread all around it. Runs really good, guys. Motor runs really good. Looks like they put a new turbo on it. Go ahead and drive it for me. '08 T800. $309 on the miles. Air ride seat. And it's got a 9-speed in it. 9-speed Eaton manual. All right. Good. Drive it back for me. Yeah. This truck's located here in Dallas, Texas. If you're interested, please give us a call at 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. It's a nice little mixture truck ready to go. It's a popular T800 with the Cummins motor. These are the ones people want. They're hard to get now in Texas. They're going all to Mexico and South America. Anyway, if you're interested, please give us a call.